in Hawaii! Yay!
A volcano, look!
It's erupting!
Look at how fast that lava's going down the side.
It's because it's so steep, Christina.
I learned that in science class.
Me too. Because if lava just came out of flat surface, it would just
Bubble. But it's going really fast. That's because the volcano's really steep.
and the gravity will pull it down faster. It's beautiful. Then these are people. That is the king. Right, Christina, go up. That is the king right there. The king of the
mountain.
Yeah, he can stand lava. This is
Those
our
are
lava.
Those are the people that got
people.
stuck, and Evan made those.
Yeah. All right. Well. Yeah. This.
Check out those pants.